Welcome to my channel GP Study Lover. So today I am going to discuss rest part of from the exercise 7.1. It is from question number 4. So let's start the video. Okay, question number 4. The question number 4 is that the 3 points of a triangles are given. That is the vertices of 3 points are given. So we have to show that the triangles are isosceles triangles. So look here. Let A, that is 5 comma minus 2, and B 6 comma 4, and C 7 minus 2 are 3 vertices of a triangle that is given. Triangle. So we know the triangle form with the 3 vertices, that is A, B, C, where A equals to 5 comma minus 2, B is 6 comma 4, and C is 7 comma minus 2. Now join this one, join AB, BC and CA, which form a triangle. So we have to show that this triangle is an isosceles triangle. That means the two sides of the triangles are equal. So here you have to find the distance between AB, BC and AC. So I give you a hint here. It's your homework as well. Okay. So you have to find AB. So you know the distance formula. That is x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So here AB, for the point A and B, the coordinate of A is 5 comma minus 2 and B is 6 comma 4. So here x1 equals to 5, y1 equals to minus 2, x2 equals to 6, y2 equals to 4. Similarly, find BC from the point 6, 4, and in case of BC, here x1 equal to 6, y1 is 4, x2 is 7, y2 is minus 2. And after that find AC, where x1 is 7, y1 is minus 2, x2 is 5, and y2 is minus 2. Is it? So taking these coordinates, you have to find distance between AB, BC and AC. After this, ইয়াৰ পিছত পাবা তোমালোকে হয়তো AB, BC equal হ'ব, BC, AC, but that means two sides of these triangles are equal. ইয়াৰ ভিতৰত দুটা equal হ'ব. যদি equal হয়, then you can say that therefore these triangles are isosceles triangles. Okay? So এইটো কৰিবা. Question number 5. In question number 5, the question is given that there are given 4 points, A, B, C, D, given 4 points. So here the question is 2 girls, after enter the class, 2 girls, the one girl said that this one is a square and one girl said that this one is not a square. So we have to prove that is it square, or we have to check is it square or not. So for checking, first of all we have to find the coordinates of all these 3 points. After this we have to join the points and find the sides, distance between the sides. Okay. Okay, so here what is the coordinates of A? The 4 points are given, A, B, C, D. So first finds the coordinates here. So A to code ase yate saba, this one is a x-axis, this one is a y-axis, and in x-axis here 3, and in y-axis this one 4. That means yate x or karone 3 ase A point or y get 4 ase. That means the coordinate of A is 3 comma 4. Again for D points, for x this one 6, and for in case of y this one 1. That means 6 comma 1. Again for B this one 6, in x-axis this one 6, so 6 to first order liquid ami 6, and in y-axis this one 7 to 7. Again C 9 and 4. 9, this one 9, and this one 4. So 9, 4. Okay. The coordinate of pi. After this, join these points. Join these points. AB, BC. Okay. Here ABCD is the 4 vertices. And after this, find AB. Similarly, applying the distance formula, AB find out koriba x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Distance formula hai. So it would, in case of AB, x1 ki hai? Moi hindi sude ekhine koriba tomaloke. X1 equals to how much? 3, and y1 is 4, x2 is 6, y2 is 7. So AB karone ami AB ta sum mane x1 3, y1 4, 6, 7. Similarly, find out BC. For in case of BC, x1 is 7, y1 is x1 is 6, y1 is 7, x2 is 9, y2 is 4. In case of CD, x1 is 9, y1 is 4, and x2 is 6, and y2 is 1. So like this, just find the distance. Then after this, BC koriba, then CD koriba, then AD koriba. A side find out koriba. If the 4 sides are equal, so equal, that means that again find AC also. Okay, sorry, the diagonal AC and BD also. Find AC and BD. In case of AC, what is the coordinate x1 here? 4, 8, 3, y1 is 4, x2 is what? In case of AC, 9, y2 is 4. So A coordinate loba, C coordinate loba, BD korote B coordinate loba, D coordinate loba, then koriba, find out koriba. So to take it equal height, that means this is a square. So in question number 6, there are 3 questions given here. So name the type of the quadrilateral form. So here given 4 points, and the coordinate of the 4 points is given here. So we have to name what type of the quadrilateral is it form, and also give the reasons also. So let's start doing. Let the 4 points be A, B, C, D, B equals to 1, 0, C equals to -1, 2, and D is -3, 0 be the 4 points. Now ye points gitare kenuka type or quadrilateral form kore ami dekhaba lage. So tar karone ami ki koriba lagibo, AB equals to, by applying distance formula, AB equals to root over x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Here x1 equals to what? In case of AB, x1 is -1, y1 is -2, x2 is 1, and 0. So -1, y1 is -2, x2 is 1, and y2 is 0. Therefore AB equals to root over, putting the value here, 1 minus x1 is -1, so minus what become? -1. X1 is -1, and square here, y2 is 0, then -2, and square is there. Just put the value. Then after this, 1 minus becomes plus 1 square plus again 0 minus plus 2 square. Then it becomes 1 plus 1 2 square Again 0 plus 2 means 2 and square is there. Then 2 square means 4 plus 4. That means root 8 equals to what? We can write this one as it 2 root 2. Is it? Similarly, we find BC. You must find BC. We can find BC here. Again BC equals root over x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Here x1 equals to how much? 1, y1 is 0, x2 is equals to minus 1 and y2 equals to 2. Since the points of B is here B point is 1, 0, C is minus 1, 2, so here again BC equals root over x2 is minus 1, 1 is minus 1 here, square plus y2 is 2 minus 0 whole square. Then minus 1 how much? Minus 2 and square there, 2 minus 2 square. Same this one, 2 square means 4 and minus become positive because here the square root is, the power is in even. So the minus become plus. So 2 square is 4. Again 4. 4 plus 4 how much? 8. Then 2 root 2. So BC equals to root 2. We get same as a AB. Again find CD. CD equals to plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So here x1 equals to minus 1, y1 equals to 2, x2 equals to minus 3, y2 equals to 0. So CRD is to C point, C coordinate here is minus 1, 2 and D coordinate also 3, 0. So here para likhi lelo. Take a step. Then after this, just put the value here in place of x1, x2, y1, y2. So x2 is minus 3, then minus, and x1 is minus 1. So minus 1 here, whole square plus y2 0, minus here minus, y1 is 2 square. So minus thakile eta bracket diba tetia bhul hoar chance na thake. Okay. Kisumane ko direct koribole jaote bhul hoi jay de eta saba. Minus 3 minus plus 1 square plus minus 2 square. Then 3 per 1 gole kiman? Minus 2 because minus is here, so minus 2 square plus minus 2 square. The how much? 4 plus 4, that means 2 root 2. Similarly, AD, you find AD. Similarly, find AD and AC and BD. You find this. Similarly, you find AC, BD, AD. Okay. After this, if you got AD 2 root 2, then we can say at last, let's see if AB equals to BC equals to CD equals to AD. If the three sides, that means it will not type of hobo. Why to A, B, C, D, so D, put a side the same equal, that means, and the diagonal also equals. The diagonal is AC and BD. AC equals to BD. If three sides are equal and a diagonal also equal, then we can say that the quadrilateral is a square. The quadrilateral is a square. So, ikhini nije kori loba. Okay. 6 to try to find out same as this one. Similarly, find AB, BC, CD, AD and BD, AC also. And last time another papa say you got like this. AB not equals to BC not equals to CD not equals to AD. So kita not equals again BD not equals to AC also. Like this, you find out this like this. Jodi gutekita not equal hoy, that means this is not a quadrilateral. Yat kuno quadrilateral kuno property nai. That is, it is not a quadrilateral. You can write like this. Okay, quadrilateral no hoy. and third also same third to saba third enedre ulabo pare ab equals to suppose abcd enoga jodi thake that means third enega hobo opposite sides are equal hobo ab equals to cd paba aru ad equals to bc paba third enoga type paba and ac bd saba this one not equals paba hoyto kiba eta paba so enoga type or jodi poa tetia etu ki hoy parallelogram hoy rectangle pabo hole egita equal hobo laibo ac equals to bd hobo laibo but in parallelogram the opposite sides are equals and the diagonals are not equals so etu tumaloke parallelogram paba okay same 1 to 3 same hoy etu koriba question number 7 from this exercise find a point on the x-axis that means in a x-axis there is a point we have to find the coordinate of this point which is equidistant from the 2 points that means the coordinate of the 2 points is given which is equidistant that means suppose this one x-axis in x-axis there is a point suppose this one a point p and we know what is the coordinate of p the coordinate of the point which lies in the x-axis always like this x comma 0 that means y to ki hobo kare 0 hoy aru x to kare enoka dewe the x-axis coordinate is x comma 0 my first starting out eto koi disilu suppose and given 2 points this one let the 2 points be a b suppose a equals to 2 minus 5 and b is minus 2 9 so here given these 2 points are equidistant from these points that means which lies in the x-axis this point this one equidistance means if we join like this that means p pora a jiman distance p pora b ru himani distance to etut ki hobo etu jodi 5 hoy distance to joni ami 5 lolu suppose 5 meter hoy ba 5 centimeter zero hoy yar pora yale distance joni ba 5 centimeter that means duta equal hoy ki yat p equals to pb hoy ne pa jiman hoy pb himan hoy equal distance is according to question this one given here so a condition to apply kori pela ami ki find out korim a p coordinate find out korim what is the coordinate of the points which lies in the x-axis that means already to 0 hoy ami find out koribo ami paba lage only extra value paba lage যেটো to already 0 hoy only extra value pale ami p coordinate to pai jam bolasun koru etia let p x comma 0 be the point on the x-axis x-axis upor px comma 0 eta point ase a 2 comma minus 5 and b minus 2 comma 9 b2 given points which is equidistance from p which is equidistance from p according to question pa equals to pv according to question this one so just etia ulio p er karone ki hobo pv er karone ki hobo okay p x comma 0 hoy aru a ki hoy 2 minus 5 to yate x1 ki hol etu hol equal to x aru x2 ki hol 2 similarly y1 is here 0 and y2 is minus 5 so p er karone etu kori laba x2 minus x1 korile ki hobo 2 minus x square plus and y2 minus y1 korile minus 5 minus 0 square ami formula put kori dilo similarly pb b point ki asile minus 2 and 9 so eto ami yat na lage p aru b karone x2 hoise minus 2 y2 hoise 9 Similarly, p আৰু b ৰ কাৰণে কৰিলে কিমান হ'ব -2 - x square plus 9 - 0 square. হৈ গ'ল তোমালোকৰ সুবিধাৰ কাৰণে এনেকৈ লিখি ল'বা ইয়াতে লিখি ল'লে হ'ল here given like this. Okay, মই ডাইৰেক্ট কৰি দিলোঁ. Then after squaring both sides, suppose squaring both sides, 2 - x square plus -5 square, then -2 - x square plus 9 square. Squaring both side. Square কৰিলে কি হ'ব root cancel যাব. তো কি থাকিব ইয়াতে কি থাকিব a minus b whole square formula আমি apply কৰিম a square minus twice ab plus b square 5 square that means 25. Similarly a square minus twice ab plus b square plus 9 square means 81. Okay, then 2 square means 4, 2 to the 4x plus x square plus 25. Here also 4 minus almost plus 4x plus x square plus 81. So x square both side positive, that means we can cancel it. I know here to plus x square is plus x square se cancel jabo pari, plus 4 ase cancel koribo pari. But yet minus 4x plus 4x sign to same nai, so cancel koribo noaru. So it next click korisu. After this minus 4x then plus 25 like this and plus 4x and plus 81 like this. So minus 4x to phale mane minus 4x hobo 81 to gole 20 minus 25 hobo. So minus 4x how much? Minus 8x equals to 11, 5, 6, 7 to 56. Therefore, x equals to 56 divided by minus 8 minus 7. Right? 8 56 so 7 times over minus is so minus 7. Okay, x value minus 7 par golu. Therefore, the coordinates of the point P x, y asile nai equals to kiman hobo x ami kiman palo minus 7 palo aru 0 to hoy this one. Okay, 0 already ase to x value paba lage, x value minus 7 pai galo put kori dilo. So it hoise p coordinate. Okay, this is the answer.